You're now watching Kaws.
Paving this shit crank.
Kaws.
Chicka chicka bang bang, chicka bang bang, chicka chicka bang bang. Hello, welcome back to my page. Alright, to my page. I'm Nods and I do trendy DIYs or whatever I feel like doing. So honestly, the love and support from my last couple videos have been overwhelming. I just wanted to say a quick thanks for that. Oh my gosh. I love seeing, like, receiving messages like, oh girl, I love your videos. It just makes me so happy. I can't believe people actually like watch my stuff. I'm feeling myself today because I actually like put on makeup. What? Crazy? What? Oh my gosh, you care about yourself? What? Crazy? Anyway, so today we are making a DIY HYPEBEAST room decor. Okay, I'm about to go to college, so I got my dorm room before and HYPEBEAST stuff before, HYPEBEAST rooms before. But the price don't be far. You feel me? We're not paying like $100 something for a rug, $100 something for a Takashi Murakami pillow, which I might have to because I don't know how I'm gonna DIY that. Let's get into the video, but wait. So wait. Make sure y'all check out my Depop and my Instagram. On my Depop, I post a lot of stuff I make on there, and on my Instagram, I post really nothing. Anyways, now we can get into the video. Okay, so boom, I got these curtains that are plain Jane and I got them from the thrift store. The color kind of matches the vibe of my room that I want to go for, and I was like, yeah, we need to spice these up by painting on them. You can see my room here. It's kind of messy, excuse the mess, but you can see I have these blue curtains. They just kind of killing the vibe, even though it's not that bad because I do have that blue carpet that I'm going to get rid of. I want like a tan and red room. But anywho, this is my room. It needs a lot of work, okay? But I'm about to move out and go to a dorm anyway, so it don't really matter. But yeah, anyways, let's get on with this. Come on, girl. Move on to the next thing. Okay, so here's my plain curtain. I only decided to paint on one because by the time I was finishing painting on this one, I was so freaking tired. Like, this took me hours to do, y'all. So that's why I only did one curtain. But yeah, basically I just started by sketching out these big old yellow circles and then painting the rest of the flower around it. This is obviously the Takashi Murakami design, and let me tell y'all, this Takashi Murakami design is the true definition of trusting the process, because when I started this and I was going through it, I was like, this looks horrible, but you really got to trust the process because bam, like once you put the eyes on and stuff like that, it starts looking so much better. And this one was the biggest flower I did, so it took the longest. The smaller flowers don't take as long. But yeah, the big flower took at least 3 hours. So I'm just letting y'all get that little warning. But anyways, make sure y'all add y'all designs, y'all details, and fill in the paint all the way so it don't look like splotchy. And yeah, I'm going to shut up and stop talking, and y'all could just watch the video from now on. Sorry.
Wait, morning, it's yummy. Hello. Yummy. Yummy. Hello. Hello.
I don't know it. Rest. Lips in my clip. If I can somewhere to feed. Like the lost it. I don't know nothing a little bit. Baby, my hip. I can climb, I'll take it think.
Wait. Morning. It's yummy.
Hello.
Yummy. Yummy.
Hello.
Yummy.
Hello.
So I messed up on this one. I made my petals a little bit too small, so I had to try to fix them, but then some of them were big and some of them were small. That's what happens when you paint when you're tired. But yeah, I ended up fixing them kind of with the black lines. Like when I put the black lines on, it didn't look as noticeable, but it was kind of bad because look how big some parts are and look how small some other parts are. That's why the design's so hard. But see, it's not as noticeable when I put the black lines, but it's still like, girl, what is that? Luckily, it's at the bottom of the curtain and not at the top. And ta-da! It is done. Look at my beautiful designs. The top ones were definitely better than the bottom ones, the purple thing and the one I messed up at the bottom. I was so tired. Don't paint when you're tired because it will come out funky looking. But I think it came out really nice, and I'm so excited to put this on my little place where I put curtains at because I think it's gonna be cute. Yeah, she cute or whatever. I think it adds a little pop and it's not too much, which is why I'm glad I didn't paint the other curtain. So yeah, she cute, she pretty. So since that curtain took so long to paint and do, and it literally drained me, and I have schoolwork and finals and all that coming up, I decided to not do the rest of the DIYs I was going to do. I'll tell you about them, but I'm not going to do them. So you can try them. I'll give you some inspiration. But like I said, I'm not going to do them in this video because I'm tired. If you want me to do them, then I guess comment down below. But as of this video, I'm not doing them. But anyways, so I thought you can like paint on certain cups, little Kaws designs, little Takashi Murakami designs, little Hello Kitty designs, whatever designs you want. Paint on little cups and use them like flower pots. I think that's so cute. I use so many cups as flower pots in my room. And glass jars, that would be cute too. A little cute addition. And I was also thinking about making the little Kaws or Takashi Murakami or whatever figurines out of clay. I think that would be such a cute idea too. I'm not a sculptor, so it'll probably come out horrible anyways. But I think that would be really, really cute if you want to do that. Then that's some more room decor ideas. Like I said, I'm just not going to do it because I need a nap. So, all right, bye. What? No way you're still here. If you're still here, you must like me a little bit, if not a lot of it. So why don't you just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and check out my Depop in my Instagram if you want to. Okay. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I really, really appreciate it. Please leave comments. I love seeing the comments. I love reading them. They're great. Thank you for all the love and support again. Totally appreciate it. I totally read every single comment, even the weird ones, even the spam ones. I read them all. I read them all. Anyways, thank you. Bye, chicas and chicos.